Welcome back, everybody. My newest pancake recipe. I found these at Costco. They are phenomenal, and there is a pancake recipe on the back per the exact instructions on the package. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and that is Wheat Montana flour, of course. We stopped at Wheat Montana the other day. We love going there every time we're in Montana. Baked goods, flour. Oh man, it's the real deal. Wheat Montana. 1 cup of the Coach's oats. Look at me, I'm actually measuring something. Do a screenshot of this. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2. A ½ teaspoon of salt. Been using lots of that Redmond salt from Utah over the last year. 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix the dry ingredients together. Crack 2 eggs in a separate bowl. 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavoring. I need to upgrade to a bigger bowl. Now we add 1 cup milk and 1 cup of water. Mix up the wet ingredients, add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, and mix it up. And yes, it's killing me to follow instructions. I can immediately see air bubbles starting to appear. I made this one other time. It's a really good recipe. And the cool thing about this recipe is 0 sodium. Of course, I put a pinch of salt in there, right? If you go to any of the brands that I love, like Kodiak Cakes, love their stuff. Or the Sam's Club Members Mark, all those pancake batter mixes, anywhere from 250 or 300 all the way up to 500 milligrams of sodium. So if you have to watch the sodium like I am supposed to, the Coach's Oats recipe is great. I have that Blackstone Adventure Ready 28-inch griddle. Pancakes, crepes, French toast. You need to have it medium to medium high heat, but not too high. You don't want a searing temperature. You don't want to burn anything with flour. I'll typically put my hand above there and I can tell that's super duper hot, but it's not searing hot. A little bit of cooking oil. Today I just happen to have avocado oil left over from the previous recipe. That's gonna work just fine. Be super careful if you're using your bare hands like I am. You might want to use protective gloves. I prefer to use my bare hands. This is my plate today, so I'm gonna try to get a pancake that fits somewhere comfortably in the middle without hanging out over the edge. Gonna use my measuring cup for that, and we'll go down, try to do 3 of these. We have some nice bubbles starting to appear. Pancakes, French toast, and crepes. I'll go with a thin spatula. We'll go underneath and I'll peek. I can see we're not quite there yet. We're getting close. The pancakes are starting to set up, but we don't have good color on the bottom yet. I'm using the Adventure Ready spatulas today. You can see they're a little thin, so I'm gonna go in with 2 on that middle pancakes and we'll give it a flip. You don't have to use butter, but more often than not, I like to go in with a little pat of butter after I flip my pancakes. Been a couple of minutes. And a selection of fruit. One of the many weird quirks about me, I have to have a crunch from pecans or walnuts in my cereal, in my pancakes. I love it. And I've been holding on to this for over a year now. Oh, whitetail buck deer maple syrup. This is from Cedar Run Farms in Friendly, West Virginia. I picked this up at the famous Jungle Gyms in Cincinnati last year. You have to have that pure maple syrup. A little bit of cinnamon on top. Take a look at that. I love to go in there and get one of those little pancake cross sections. Let's give it a try. Perfect pancakes, and like I said, these are really good. Impressed with these. Coach's Oats, got them at Costco. 0 sodium. We used our own little finishing touches on there. Threw in some cinnamon, blueberries, pecans, and all that stuff in the end. You have to have pure maple syrup. Love making pancakes, so no sodium in the mix, just a pinch of salt per the instructions. You could probably eliminate that if you wanted to. So thanks for watching, everybody. Hey, please make sure you get over there to Blackstone social media, because we have a bunch of videos that we filmed here in Montana over on Let's Give It a Try over there on Blackstone social media. Please watch those. I'll get back to you with another video as soon as I can. And until next time, everybody, this is Todd saying praise the Lord and pass the pancakes, the delicious pancakes. I even followed the instructions.